Hello, today I would like to show you our USB measurement microphone ESV1611 with our measurement microphone rain protection kit MR40. So as first, the speciality of the USB measurement microphone is here at the bottom side the connection to the microphone itself. So we can realize here a very safe connection with this screw so that the USB cable is fixed mounted onto the microphone. In case of the ESV1611R for rain applications or for rainy days, we have here the USB microphone with the additional protection. So it is a shrink tube so that the USB connector and the electronics is completely protected against water. Usually before you make the measurement with such microphones, it is necessary to calibrate from time to time the measurement microphones. So for this reason we have here a microphone calibrator. So now we could calibrate the microphone with the application software. So this calibrator can deliver different frequencies and also different sound pressure levels, so for more accurate results. Next, the crucial point is here the protection kit, the rain protection kit itself. We have here the protection grid, which we remove here. And here we will see the microphone membrane. So this is very sensitive. So now, if I put on the rain protection kit, it is necessary to be very careful so that I put this protection kit over the half-inch microphone capsule. So, and at the end I use here the wind protector, the windshield, and I pull this over the complete structure. So for this you need force and patience. So now the windshield is installed. The protection grid, please keep it, because from time to time you have to calibrate or recalibrate the outdoor microphone, and for this reason you have to remove the complete system like this, and then put again the protection grid for the calibration. So thank you very much for your attention and have a pleasant day.